No, don't eat me. Ah! No, you can't eat me. No. Hi, I'm Hollis the Antarctican. Today we're making Flamin Hot Cheeto cream cheese bagels. And we're using a veggie cream cheese. And now to put the Cheetos on. And now to try it, with assistance from Abigail. No, you don't get any. No, you can't eat the Flamin' Hot Cheeto cream cheese bagel. It's surprisingly good. So like when you bite into it, you notice the cream cheese more. And it's like sweet compared to the Cheeto. But then after you chewed it, you can feel the spiciness. So it changes up. It's a really good mix. I'd say that you should try it. And it'd be good with like a hard-boiled egg or something for breakfast. It's a symbol of world peace. If you like the video, then hit the like button down below, and maybe even share it with some of your friends. And if you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button and the bell below. And if you like gaming videos, subscribe to my friends Super LJ, Gaming Right videos, and Mr. Sasquatch. And thank you for watching.